Hey, Sam here. Now on my screen you're going to see in just a moment a demonstration of how I've been using Boxcar in a couple of affiliate promotions that I've been doing, and also I've been using this on a number of websites that I have to increase the amount of engagement, the amount of conversions I've been able to generate, because in-person selling is the best kind of selling that you can do still today, and this is going to allow you to engage with your audience in a new exciting way, or if you've got clients you're working with, this is the perfect solution to install on their website to immediately increase their conversions. And you've probably seen big companies using this technology to increase their conversions and the amount of sales that they make. So what is Boxcar? Well, it's an in-person selling system that communicates directly to visitors who are visiting your website on the pages that they're at. And I've been so impressed with this tool, what it can do, that I've compiled a really comprehensive bonus package down below. You'll be able to see over 20 white label softwares you can get access to. Plus, I'm actually going to give you access to a new software training program I've been creating, which is going to show you and give you all of the resources and tools you need to start your own software selling business. Okay, so let me show you a quick demonstration of this software in action, how I've used it in a recent promotion, and also you'll be able to see a demonstration from Mark about what the software does, a full walkthrough of it. So this is how it works. It basically will pop up on your web page, as you can see right here, and you'll hear a wee ding, and it's available. Your visitor will then see this, chat with us, and if it's offline, they'll see, that it's offline, but they can actually message you, and then they can type in a chat message or a question that they might have about a particular product. Now, you can actually have a message pop up and actually initiate the conversation with the person, or if you want, they can initiate the conversation. It's up to you. You can customize your widget, you can decide what it looks like, you can decide what it says, and you can actually engage live in real time with the person that's on your website using the Boxcar dashboard or chat console right here. So I'm typing a message to my to the person, to myself basically, because I'm currently on my own website, and I'm answering the question, right? Send reply, bang, immediately it's replied with my image, so it shows that it's personal. They can see it's a real person they're talking to, and they can then talk back to me. And I immediately will receive another chat message from them, making this a live chat. So you can assign many different websites, you can assign many different people. I could assign outsourcers to do this for me. I can see past conversations, I can see conversations as they happen right now, and it also has a log of all the different conversations my outsourcers may have had, so I can oversee that. It also has canned responses. You'll see more about this in Mark's demonstration as well. So Boxcar is a full chat selling solution. It's also a solution that will build trust, help you to sell more through your website, and support customers as well. It's a great addition that also has a translate feature, so even if your visitor is visited from another country, doesn't speak English, it'll still be able to communicate with that user, making it an incredible piece of software for clients and any sort of selling you're doing online. All right, enough from me. That was how I'm planning to use Boxcar. I've been using these softwares in my business now for the last couple of weeks. I really like the impact they've had. They've made me probably thousands of dollars over the last couple of weeks since I've been using them. So I highly recommend taking a good look at this software and making a decision whether it's right for your business. And I can tell you, if you have a website, you have a sales page, this is something you should be considering for adding to your website, because it's going to increase your conversions immediately, as people want to connect with people. They want to know that you care about them, and they want to know that you're there to help. This software solves that problem. It'll help you to answer objections that the person has who's on the website, and questions they may have about your product, and make a better decision that's better for them based on the information you're able to give them. So here we go. Here's Mark. He'll show you a demonstration now, walking through the entire software step by step, every component of it, so you can make a decision whether this is right for you. Take it away, Mark.
This is Mark Thompson here, creator of Boxcar, and I want to shoot a quick demo video just to show you guys Boxcar in action and all the features that we've added to this live chat application. Now, you guys are probably already aware that live chat can help to dramatically increase conversions, sales, help reduce refund rates, and improve customer service. And what we've done is we've given you the power to add unlimited agents, add Boxcar widgets to unlimited websites, and for a limited time at a one-time cost. Now, what I want to do is show you it has all the core features that most live chat applications have, but it also has kind of a marketer's twist where you can push live call to actions and canned responses directly inside of the chat widget. So what you're looking at right now is the dashboard, where you're going to be able to see all the different websites that you add a chat widget onto your sites. So you can see I have 4 different ones here in this demo account. And then below, you'll be able to see all the different chat agents that are active and answering live chats. And now you'll be able to pass chats to different agents if you want to, and you'll just be able to see who is answering chats on your different sites. Okay. Now, what you're looking at right now is the active chats that are going on. So as visitors visit your website, I'm just going to show you a really quick example of what it's going to look like to the end user. So the person's going to come to, this is just a demo page. You can hear there's a little audio noise just to say, hey, there is a chat widget here. And the person will put in their name and email address. And this is obviously, can be controlled if you want it to be required or not required. That's completely up to you. And then the person is going to ask their question. So they're going to click on start chatting. And as you can see, it updated that chat to the person's name. And you can see the person's email address, their IP address, and when they logged in, and you can start chatting with them. Okay, so it works very similar to any normal chat application. Okay, so if I flip back here, you can see, and you can start your live chat with the visitor. Okay, now this is where you can manage all of your live chats. Now, if the person leaves the page, they're going to get removed out of the active chats, and they're going to get put into this chat area. Okay, this chat page is all of the previous chats that you've had, and you'll be able to go and see the history of that person for later reference if you want to. Okay, now the agents area is where you can add all of your different agents. Okay, so you can add unlimited agents that can help assist with your chats. Okay, you can also specify which websites the agents can access and answer live chat. So maybe you have specific agents for certain brands or for certain websites. You can go and control that as well. Now this is where you're going to add all of your different sites. You just click on create new site. Okay, add in your name, website name, the URL. If you want to enable the sound, if you want to have what we call a guest login, so the person doesn't have to put in their name and email address, they can just ask a question, right? And then you could also control all of the different headings to the chat widget. So the available heading, the unavailable heading. You can capture offline messages if none of the agents are available. So you can keep your chat window on your site, and if no agent is available at that time, it just says, hey, we're offline. You can control what you want it to say there, and it'll capture the person's question. You can answer it through an email reply. Okay, so very, very simple. Now we also have different designs that you can choose from, and see a live preview right here, and you'll be able to control the colors for basically everything, the background colors, the button color, so it can fit with your brands, right? And it's really just that simple. Now, once you have your chat widget, all you need to do is take this light JavaScript code and paste it at the end of a body tag. So it can work with any website, WordPress, e-commerce sites. It doesn't really matter, as long as you can just paste this little piece of tracking script onto your site, you'll be able to add the widget onto your page. Okay. Now, we also have a bunch of other features that we've built in that really help to separate Boxcar from other live chat applications. The first one is our integrations. So right now we have integrations with Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse. From the time that you're watching this, we've probably already added more, as well as the ability to just copy and paste a raw HTML form code so that you can integrate your autoresponder with Boxcar. Now, what happens is once you've connected your autoresponder, you can push call to actions directly inside of a chat. So, and I'll show you how that's set up here in a second, but from the chat application, say someone they want to be added to our email list, or they want to request a white paper, or whatever it may be. Click on canned responses, choose, you can organize things by folder, and click my call to action form, and here's a sign up for our 10-week course. Okay, click on select, pushes it directly inside of the chat box. So when I go here, you can see here, and they can put in their name or their email address, and they can sign up for your autoresponder directly from inside of the chat. Now that is really cool. Now the other thing that you can do on top of email submits is also do a call to action button. Okay, so you can do a button. Here's one that I've already created. And as you can see, I mean, this is a pretty bad color, but I can click on select, and there it goes. It just pushed a call to action button directly into the chat widget, okay, which is really, really cool. And so you can go here into your CTA and canned responses. You can create as many folders as you want to. So maybe create a folder for each website, or you can organize it how you want to. And so you can see I have these 3 different options here. I have a canned response that's just plain text. I have my call to action button and my call to action form. So if I wanted to create a new canned response, all I do is click on create new canned response, choose what type of, if it's a call to action or if it's a response. I'm going to name this, and I'm going to type my canned response. So this is awesome. If you have people asking the same type of questions over and over again, you can push a response directly to them without having to type it over and over again, right? So I can go to my canned responses, choose which folder, and select the response, see a preview of it, and now I can submit that. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to save you so much time being able to send out a canned response. So you can do canned responses, you can do call to action buttons, and call to action email or form submits. Okay, so this can be great for coupon codes. It can be great for literally anything that you want. Okay, and so it's really just that simple, guys. Now we also have an automatic translation feature. So when you go in and you set up your account as an agent, all you need to do is select which language you want everything to be translated into, and it's going to automatically translate it on the fly. So if someone is in Russia and they speak Russian and they send you a message in Russian, it's going to automatically populate in the specific language that your specific agent speaks. Okay, so there is no such thing as a language barrier anymore. You can cater and sell and support different visitors from all different languages now. Okay, so we've added a lot of really cool features in here. You can check out the rest of the sales page to see all of the other bells and whistles that we've added, and it really helps to separate our Boxcar solution from the other solutions that are out there. Now, for a limited time, you guys are going to be able to get this at a one-time cost. When you're watching this video, I can't promise that option is going to be available. So if it is available now is the best time to lock in your opportunity to pay one time, and you'll have access for life. You're going to have unlimited agents, unlimited websites. Okay. Now the only limitation there is concurrent chats. Okay. So you'll notice that there's 3 different options based on the number of concurrent chats that you want to have. Now, a concurrent chat is just an active chat. So someone that you're actually talking to actively. Okay. So it would take a lot. Now, most people, if you're a small business owner, you could probably get away with 5 or 25 concurrent chats. Okay, if you're a large organization, you may need 25 to 50. Okay, that's completely up to you. But we've given you the ability, whereas most competitors charge per agent and per site, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, you can unlimited chat or unlimited agents and unlimited sites. Okay, the only thing that you're limited on is concurrent chats. Okay, and that's only going to be active chats that you have going on that you're talking to the people. Okay, so we hope that you guys will start using Boxcar and install it onto your sites. If you've never used live chat before, you have a full 30 days. Okay, that's our refund period to install it, check it out, and watch how it's gonna pay for itself. Okay, being able to increase your conversions, the number of sales, minimize refunds, and really just help to increase your brand by delivering excellent customer service. Okay, so I strongly recommend that you purchase Boxcar and test it out for 30 days and watch as it pays for itself. Okay, so now is a great time because we have the charter member access where you can get it for one-time payment, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the inside.